Project iDev is a student pitch project that is focused on exploring the new areas of meaningful play that have been created by the iPhone and iPod Touch mobile devices. We identified 4 main goals that we wanted to complete. We wanted to embrace experimental game design. We also wanted to create full games for the iPhone and iPod Touch. We wanted people to play our games, and we wanted to create a company that will enable us to continue to work together after the semester ends.
To thoroughly embrace experimental game design as a method for creating innovative games, we decided to create 9 different prototypes. Each one of these prototypes was developed individually by each team member during the course of 1 week. We want to stand out 6 of them, which are what we would call the most innovative of the pack. Our first prototype, 2D Cube, was a game with a new control mechanic for 3D environments. The player's movement is dependent upon the orientation of the phone. The second prototype, Blowfish, would control the avatar's size by blowing or speaking into the microphone. Our third prototype, called Constellation, overlays various points of the map that the player must run into in a certain order to complete a constellation. The Kindness prototype is a game that rewards the player for real-world acts of kindness. The other 2 prototypes that we developed during the semester, we decided to make them into fully playable games. The first of these prototypes is called Mismos.
Mismos was based upon one of our first prototypes called Reflection. And the reason we like this is that we found that the core mechanic of flipping the phone and moving to avatars to be innovative, but also very simple and intuitive for player. We completed a vertical slice of the game showcasing 3 unique worlds. Each of these worlds contain a unique gameplay mechanic as well as a coin collecting mechanic. Our original plan with Mismos was to create 6 unique worlds with 40 levels, but within 1 semester that scope was too difficult to reach. So what we decided to do was create this vertical slice and then devote our attention to creating Handshake, which we believe to be one of our most innovative prototypes.
Handshake is based off of creating unique handshakes between 2 people. The iPhone becomes somewhat of an extension of a person's body in that we're able to actually record your movement. And we use that data and compare it to another person's movement to create the basis of the interaction and handshake. It's a very physical, outward social experience. It's not an experience that's enclosed in the phone. So what we found is that seeing people play Handshake makes them curious about the game.
Finally, we have successfully created a company, 4i Designs, and we plan to continue to develop Mismos, Handshake, as well as other games. Look forward to hearing more from us. Thanks for watching.